Cache Giraffe. PayPal email. Mismatch errors happen when the PayPal account you're trying to withdraw to doesn't match the email the app has on file, so the system blocks the transfer to prevent sending money to the wrong account. By the end, you'll understand why the mismatch happens and the exact steps to fix it so your Cache Giraffe payout goes through correctly. First thing to check is the PayPal email inside Cache Giraffe. Open the withdrawal or payout section and confirm the email shown there is spelled correctly and matches your active PayPal account. Even a small difference like a dot, extra letter, or old email alias will trigger a mismatch error. Next, check whether you're logged into the correct PayPal account. A lot of users have multiple emails linked to PayPal, and Cache Giraffe will only accept the primary verified email. If you're using a secondary or inactive email, the payout will fail even if it looks valid on your end. Another common issue is PayPal account verification status. If your PayPal account hasn't been fully verified, some apps won't allow payouts to it. Open PayPal settings and make sure your email is confirmed and your account has no restrictions or pending verification steps. If everything looks correct but the error still appears, remove the PayPal connection inside Cache Giraffe and re-add it manually. This forces the app to refresh the payment link instead of using stored outdated data that may be causing the mismatch. Also check for autofill or copy-paste errors. Some devices automatically insert hidden characters when pasting emails, especially if you copied from another app or browser. Manually typing the email is a simple way to eliminate that issue. Another factor is regional PayPal restrictions. In some countries, PayPal email payouts require specific account types or supported regions. If your PayPal region doesn't fully support app-based micro payouts, Cache Giraffe may reject the email even if it is correct. If none of that works, clearing the app cache and restarting your phone can help reset the payout session. This forces Cache Giraffe to rebuild the connection to PayPal instead of using a broken session state. If the issue still persists after all steps, the problem is usually on the server side or account linkage system. In that case, contacting Cache Giraffe support is the only way to manually reset the payout connection. Quick summary. Mismatch errors come from incorrect emails, wrong PayPal account, or stale app connections. Fix email accuracy first, then verify PayPal, then reconnect the payout method. Most cases are solved by correcting the email or relinking PayPal inside the app. If this helped, like and subscribe for more fix guides like this.